new founders?
Yes, in that particular case, again, each case is unique. In that particular case, we did not raise equity, but we raised venture debt, which is another type of growth capital. So growth capital in which you take some risk, of course, because when you raise that, you have to pay back. It's not the same as equity. So each situation is unique. I would always say this. I mean, this is why actually I created the Exponential Blueprint, is to really level up entrepreneurs with investors. Yeah. Because most of the time, as I was speaking to an entrepreneur actually on Monday, 3 days ago, and I was asking the question, is raising capital. They say, what's the valuation? Can you show me a calculation? Now, it didn't have one. And I told him, well, you're very vulnerable with investors because if you do not have a valuation or if you cannot defend it, you might end up actually losing the investment that you might be able to make. So what I would say is I would never really lie about the valuation. I would always tell the story in a way that the investor would really be driven towards the most optimistic scenario, because really that's what we want to achieve, really. But yeah, it's not about making something up that doesn't exist. It has to be a real situation where you can show an investor that you go, for example, the right management team. Now, that's the first thing they really look at. If they look at a lonely entrepreneur looking for money, they will not give you any money. But a serial entrepreneur who is taking to build a management team, they will give you the money because they will see the money will be very well spent, really. So yeah, to answer your question, is valuation can be very, very subjective.
Absolutely.
It's about, in some situation, the valuation doesn't work because you're growing, you don't need equity, you need debt, for